Dust wind steals a faded fields, endless lines along the plain. Dark horizon stays the same. Radio hums low and thin, lonely miles sink deep within. No sign, no light, nowhere to lean, just the road in between. Driving slow through twilight haze, wandering in empty days. Cold wind rides the lonely track, leave the old ghost in the back. Worn out signs and broken views, silent dusk hides old wounds. Engine hums a tired tone, far from where I used to roam. Distant clouds drift out of sight, drift away from wrongs and right. Quiet path, unguided pace, let the highway race. Driving slow through twilight haze, wandering in empty days. Cold wind rides a lonely track, leave the old ghosts in the back. Miles unfold with no reply, dark